I just didn't want to do that because it's narrow at the top. I don't know. I just didn't like the idea of doing that. So I'm going to cover it around like a cone, which is basically a half circle. I have, what I've done is I've made a pattern to go around this cake. Basically, I just kind of made a cone shape with a couple pieces of paper. So I know it's a half circle is what it is. And it's the height, you know, doubled. I think it was the height doubled, or it was the diameter doubled. I can't remember. I know I made it a little taller than what it was. Oh, it's halfway around, it's diameter doubled. And so this is basically what I need if I want to make this, and then I'll have a seam, which I can hide with however I feel like hiding it. If you don't want a seam, then cover it, you know, from the top with a circle. I just don't, I find that difficult to cover that way. And basically I'm going to roll this in half a circle. I'm just going to see if I've got enough. Okay, make sure we're not getting too thin. That feels pretty good. And I'm just going to cut it out. Give it extra. All right, and then we're just going to wrap it.